Hey, this is Thailand Tom, Sawadee Krap. Sorry I haven't posted any videos the latest week or so. We had a little busy time. Suphansa's grandmother just passed on, and today starts the 3-day of funeral or mourning, and people are gathering to take care of that. I'm not gonna show anything of that because that would be disrespectful. Anyway, she was a close part of our family, so this, of course, is painful for all of us, especially for Suphansa. But I'm sure her spirit or soul lives on and comes back in a new form. My belief is that our bodies are earthly vessels to carry on to carry the soul while we are here, and then when that body is no longer in use or capable of using, so then we move on to a new one. We're all part of the same energy, and that way nobody ever disappears. But of course we are attached to that body, we know, that express feelings and that we can hold on to rather than a spirit that we can't see or feel. So we are only human, that's what it is. I'm gonna show a little bit other things in this video to lighten it up a little bit, because I don't want this to be a sad video. So tag along to see what we've done the last couple of days before this happened. Yeah, I take movie of you.
I make movie. Hey.
They don't like because it's raining so much today, so they cannot go outside, so they just sit here and look at the birds and wonder why it's raining so much. We cannot go out and play.
Hey Simba. Hey Simba. Say hello to YouTube. Meow. Meow.
Yeah, good. Raining big time. The tropical storm is here, but things have to be done, so the brave take an umbrella and go out in the rain to fix things, while the very good husband stands by the house and make a movie. You have to sing. I'm singing in the rain. Just singing in the rain. What a glorious day to be happy again. I'm not sure the lyrics goes like that, but hey, now it does. Okay, chicken need food and fresh water, I guess. Have to see if there's some eggs. Take care of business because the boy, he has to sleep or play games or whatever. The chicken are out in the water, they like it. Time for the annual checkup with the car to make sure everything is as it should be and get our insurance straightened out and stuff like that. Here we are. And Suphansa. Hey, hey. Car. Checkup place. They take care of the insurance in the same place. Everything is done here. We just sit and wait a little bit and it's all done. Hey, hey, hey. This is Thailand Tom. Sawadee krab. Today we are at a duck farm. And looking at the prospect of possibly buying some ducks because duck egg are so much better than chicken egg here in Thailand. So we'll see. So noisy. We're not gonna. If we buy, we're not gonna buy many. It's too noisy and too dirty for me.
ที่ผมบอกไม่ต้องไปกลัวว่าโดนหลอกโดนอะไรเดินดูเปรียบเทียบเลยนี่แหละถ้าเป็ดแก่มันขอบตามันก็จะขาวๆเห็นไหมที่ลองสังเกตดูขอบตาก็ขาวแล้วมันมีอายุแล้วที่พ้นน่ะแล้วสาวที่ใสแบบขอบตาทั้งใส
So many ducks. They're really good to eat though. Both the eggs and the duck itself, they're nice. But this, of course, is way too many. But this is a specialized duck farm. All right, cool. We'll see what the boss say, what she decides. And this is Mr. Mighty Duck.
คนเป็นชาวบ้านทั่วไปบอกคือเลยบอกแม่แน่นอนครับ
Yes